Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the PC and then installing the beta. First, confirm Windows 10 or 11, 64-bit, at least 8 GB RAM, and enable virtualization in the BIOS so emulation runs. Once done, sign into your Google account and make sure Microsoft Store access is available. Free up disk space if needed. Then download and run the Google Play Games beta installer, accept the permissions, and follow the on-screen prompts to begin the setup. This gets the core system files in place. Once installed, you configure and link accounts to optimize performance. Open Google Play Games and sign into your Google account, then grant storage and input permissions so game saves and controllers work. Next, choose a graphics profile, pick a resolution, and set a frame limit. If the beta exposes resource controls, allocate CPU cores and memory for demanding titles. Install games directly from the Play Store or sideload supported APKs, and map controller buttons so input feels natural during play. Now you complete the process by launching games and validating stability. Start a game, test controls and save syncing, and watch the performance overlay to confirm CPU and GPU usage are within limits. Make sure GPU drivers and Windows updates are current, and close background apps that consume CPU or memory. If you hit crashes or black screens, clear the app cache, reinstall the Google Play Games beta, and double-check that virtualization and necessary Windows features are enabled. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.